My name is Dennis Rojas. I'm Director of Public Works for the City of Dalhart. I'm in charge of all the departments from street to sanitation, water, wastewater. Well, normal day here is like, we start here at 8 o'clock and the guys most generally know what their supervisor is wanting from them. Well, living in a small city like this, I mean, I was born and raised, of course, here in Dalhart. It's just quiet, peaceful. Everybody knows everybody. So it's all good. My name is Dennis Rojas. I work for the City of Dalhart. Coming out of high school, working in a city, any city, not just a small one, but any city, it's worth your while. There's some opportunities there for you to excel. Water and wastewater is really a good place to start.